Greetings, financial enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey into the realm of website building, exploring the financial wisdom of leveraging Fiverr for cost-effective solutions. So grab your notepads because we are about to uncover the secrets of financial success in website development. The financial impact of a professional website. Now, let's delve deeper into the financial impact a professional website can have on your business. It's not just about appearances, it's about making a strategic investment that pays off in the long run. Imagine your website as the cornerstone of your digital presence, a powerful asset that can significantly impact your business's success. So, let's explore the financial wisdom behind a well-designed website. Research consistently shows that businesses with a strong online presence tend to outperform their competitors. Your website is often the first interaction customers have with your brand. Think of it as your digital storefront, your 24/7 sales representative, working tirelessly to attract and engage potential customers. Now, you might be wondering, how can I achieve this without breaking the bank? Enter Fiverr, your gateway to cost-effective and high-quality freelancers who can turn your vision into reality. Join me in the next segment as we explore Fiverr's role in making professional websites accessible to everyone. Fiverr website building gigs. As we understand the financial impact of a professional website, let's explore how Fiverr can be your secret weapon in achieving this without breaking the bank. Fiverr is a goldmine of talent, connecting you with skilled freelancers who can bring your website vision to life. Let's dive into the world of Fiverr's website building gigs. Fiverr offers a wide array of website building gigs, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for a stunning custom design, an efficient e-commerce solution, or a seamless user experience, Fiverr has you covered. Let me give you a glimpse of what Fiverr has to offer. Need a unique and eye-catching logo for your website? There's a gig for that. Looking to optimize your website for search engines? There's a gig for that too. From graphic design to coding, Fiverr freelancers specialize in various aspects of website development. Imagine transforming your website from ordinary to extraordinary with the help of a skilled Fiverr freelancer. These freelancers bring a wealth of experience, creativity, and professionalism to the table, ensuring that your website not only looks great but also functions seamlessly. One of the fantastic features of Fiverr is the transparent feedback system. Each freelancer has reviews and ratings from previous clients, giving you valuable insights into their skills and reliability. It's like having a personal recommendation from others who have experienced their expertise. Now, to delve into the world of Fiverr's website building gigs, simply click the link in the description. It will take you to a page with a variety of gigs to choose from, providing you with the opportunity to find the perfect freelancer for your project. Cost-effective strategies and financial wisdom. Now that we've explored the amazing world of Fiverr website building gigs, let's shift our focus to the financial side of things. Building a website on a budget is not just a possibility, it's a smart choice. Today, we'll discuss cost-effective strategies and the financial wisdom behind making the right decisions for your website development journey. First on our list of cost-effective strategies is proper planning. Clearly define your website requirements and prioritize the essentials. This not only helps you stay within budget but also ensures that you invest your resources where they matter the most. Consider the core features your website needs. Do you require e-commerce functionality? Or maybe a sleek design that captivates your audience? Fiverr's freelancers specialize in various aspects, allowing you to choose gigs that align with your specific needs. When it comes to constructing your website, opting for a do-it-yourself approach might appear budget-friendly at first glance. However, this route can result in unforeseen expenses and a suboptimal outcome. Entrusting the task to a skilled freelancer on Fiverr guarantees professional-grade work while staying within your budget. Keep in mind, the key financial insight here is to weigh the long-term advantages against immediate costs. Speaking of hiring professionals, financial wisdom comes into play when choosing the right Fiverr gig. Take advantage of the transparent feedback system. Check reviews and ratings to ensure you're making an informed decision, just like a seasoned investor would. Financial wisdom also involves thinking long-term. Consider your website as an investment in the future success of your business. A well-designed website not only attracts customers now but sets the stage for sustained growth and financial prosperity. To explore the cost-effective strategies Fiverr has to offer, simply click the link in the description. It will take you to a page where you can find the perfect gig for your website development needs. Website building for e-commerce and dropshipping with Fiverr. In this special segment, we're diving into the world of e-commerce and dropshipping, exploring how Fiverr can be your trusted ally in building a successful online business. Whether you're looking to start a new venture or enhance your existing e-commerce platform, Fiverr has the expertise you need. Fiverr offers a dedicated space for e-commerce and dropshipping gigs, covering everything from creating a user-friendly online store to implementing effective marketing strategies. Let's take a closer look at how Fiverr can supercharge your e-commerce journey. Imagine having a professional designer craft a visually stunning and user-friendly online store tailored to your brand. Fiverr freelancers can create a captivating website design that not only attracts visitors but also converts them into loyal customers. But that's not all. Fiverr freelancers specialize in essential e-commerce elements, such as product page optimization, payment gateway integration, and even setting up efficient dropshipping systems. They bring a wealth of experience to the table, ensuring that your e-commerce venture is set up for success from the start. As always, transparency is key. Fiverr's feedback system allows you to explore reviews and ratings from previous clients, providing insights into the expertise and reliability of each freelancer. It's like having a team of e-commerce experts at your fingertips, ready to turn your vision into reality. To explore the world of e-commerce and dropshipping with Fiverr, click the link in the description. It will take you directly to a page where you can discover a variety of gigs tailored to the unique needs of online businesses. Let's empower your e-commerce journey with the help of Fiverr's talented freelancers. Are you still tuned in? Together, we've navigated the intricate terrain of website development, unveiling the hidden gems within Fiverr's budget-friendly solutions. As we approach the climax, get ready for the grand reveal, an invitation to take the next step. If you've been inspired to embark on your website building journey with Fiverr, here's what you need to do. Click the link in the description, explore the myriad of website building gigs, and choose the ones that align with your vision. Your next steps are crucial. By taking action, you not only enhance your online presence but also set the stage for financial success. Picture your business thriving in the digital landscape, all while staying within your budget. It's a journey worth taking. A heartfelt thank you for joining us on this financial adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy building and may your financial dreams become a reality.